welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's me, it's I, Jaja. So guys, yeah, I'm already dressed up. Please don't mind my hair. I'm already dressed up. I'm trying to head out right now quickly. In fact, I'm already late to be I'm heading to now. This is a vlog. Welcome to my vlog. Yeah, if you are new in this channel, if you are seeing this face for the first time, please click the subscribe buttons, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below. So I'm going to be running out. I'm going to be running some errands today before I head down to my shop. So I want to go to the market. I want to go to the hospital that I have. I also want to go to the. I also want to head to also Market Square to get some other things. So this is actually a vlog. So I don't even know when it will end. But let's just see how it goes. Yeah. So bye guys. See you later.
Dancing on the beat.
I'm at the hospital now, guys. I'm at the hospital. I'm waiting for my auntie to come and attend to me quickly.
Dancing on the beat. Dancing on the beat. Tension on the beat. Tension on the beat.
Buffet what? Okay. So which fish are you using? I'm using dry fish. So as you can see, she's cooking. Oh my days. Oh my days. Hey girl. Say hi to the camera. Hi.
Tension on the beat.
Yeah, guys. I know you guys are wondering, like, what happened? Like, I've been working all day, as you guys can see. I've been working all day, and it's already dark. Like, it's night now. So, like, I'll just have to summarize some parts of this vlog. I left Port Harcourt to the east, Abia State, to for a makeup job and to attend my friend's wedding. So it's actually my family house, so I'm here now in my family house, and I'm just enjoying myself after the work on Sunday. So I'll be leaving tomorrow because today Mondays I always sit at home due to Nnamdi Kalu stuff here in the east. So I'll be leaving tomorrow morning very early. I decided to end this vlog here because it's enough. I don't want this vlog to be so long, you understand? So, but there are more to vlog, which I will, and I'll show you guys more. So, just please and please have fun in this video, enjoy yourself, watch. And if you are a returning subscriber or you're just seeing this face for the first time, please do well to subscribe, like, comment, and just drop all your comments on this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.